Industrial manufacturing facilities demand the use of specialized equipment from machinery that's used in the actual manufacturing of goods to the equipment that floor managers and workers use to communicate with one another. Every floor manager knows that ensuring a safe and efficient factory floor depends on a number of factors ranging from proper training to effective communication. But your standard walkie-talkie or cell phone just won't cut it in a manufacturing facility. Industrial environments demand industrial equipment. So what makes an industrial push-to-talk (PTT) two-way radio? Rugged, durable radios. The walkie-talkie or ham radio you may have played with as a kid isn't suitable for harsh environments or wear and tear. Keep a cheap radio for long enough and you'll find that it breaks quite easily even in normal situations. Therefore, industrial PTT two-way radios are radios that are both rugged and durable. These radios can withstand harsh environments and last for a long time under extreme conditions. What makes a durable radio? IP ratings are ratings developed by the International Electrotechnical Commission, IEC, that measure the ingress protection, IP, of electric and electronic equipment against dust and water. Therefore, IP ratings are one of the best ways to determine the durability of PTT two-way radios. IP ratings are comprised of two numbers. The first number rates the product for protection against dust intrusion on the scale from 0 to 6. 0 offers no protection and 6 completely protects against dust. The second number rates the equipment for protection against water, ranging from 0 to 9. 0 offers no protection, and 9 offers protection from high-pressure hot water from different angles. PeakPTT industrial radios. The IP rating you choose for your PTT two-way radios should be based on the environment of your factory floor. While it's better to be on the safer side, if your factory has little to no dust or moisture, it may be more cost-effective to get a radio with an IP rating closer to the middle, like the Peak 4G push-to-talk radio that has an IP rating of 54 at an affordable price. On the other hand, if your manufacturing facility generates a moderate or higher level of dust or moisture like a concrete production plant or food processing plant, then your team may require more rugged PTT two-way radios. Some examples of highly rugged PTT industrial radios include 584G push-to-talk rugged handset, IP67 rated. PTT 594G Pro rugged LTE radio, IP68 rated. PTT 624G rugged LTE radio, IP68 rated. Learn more at www.peakpt.com or call us at any time, 855-600-6161.